Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to code guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys three finger screenshot setting, how to take a screenshot with three finger in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to use three finger screenshot setting, how to use one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Open your phone setting friends. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, open your phone, special function setting. After your special function setting friends, you want to use game mode setting, smart panel setting, action gesture settings. So friends, click here, and friends click here first option, tapping big setting. Friends, you can use Infinix mobile double tap to off and double tap to lock screen setting. And friends, click here three finger screenshot. And friends, you can take a screenshot with three finger in your Infinix mobile. Right click here, three finger screenshot setting will on. After on friends, you can take a screenshot with three finger. Slide down with three finger, you can take a screenshot. Click here, and friends, you can edit your screenshot also. You want to mark here, so when you can mark, click here arrow, and friends you want to use circle, so friends you can use circle. And if you click here arrow, so friends you can show arrow on screenshot, and you can remove also. And friends, you want to crop your screenshot, so when you can crop your screenshot also. Again take a screenshot, click here crop option, and friends you can crop your screenshot. And you want to save, you can save, and you want to delete, you can delete your screenshot. So like that friends, we can on three finger screenshot setting, and we can take a screenshot with three finger. And after turn off friends, you cannot take three finger screenshot in your Infinix mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.